What were the top 5 US stocks with the highest performance? What is the overall performance of the top 5? You are on the TROVEST channel. Subscribe for weekly updates. Now, the top 5. Barbecue Holdings Incorporated, plus 33.98%. Advanced Emission Solutions Incorporated, plus 33.90%. Atlanticus Holdings Corporation, plus 32.01%. Lion Low Smart Limited, plus 30.04%. Qtra Incorporated, plus 28.45%. The top 5 US stocks appreciated, plus 31.68%. In equally weighted investment portfolios, the momentum effect is a common phenomenon, where the asset prices follow an upward trend for a certain amount of time. This implies the probability of persistent positive returns. Can the top 5 US stocks maintain this momentum effect? Share it with someone who will enjoy it, it's free. Also, leave a comment with your guess as to the top 5 for next week.